Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting ready, unlock your device and open the Cengage app or navigate to the Cengage mobile site. Make sure you have the access code or account credentials handy so you can verify identity quickly. Once done, grant camera permission when the app asks. This lets you scan without interrupting the process. Make sure your internet is stable. Scanning triggers account validation on Cengage servers. If you see an account prompt, sign in immediately to proceed to the QR scanning screen. You should now aim the camera at the printed or screen-displayed Cengage QR code, centering it inside the scanning frame. Move slowly and keep the device about 6 to 12 inches away so the camera can focus. Minimizing glare and reflections helps the scanner read it on the first try. Once the app recognizes the code, you'll usually see a confirmation tone or success message. Tap Continue or Follow link as prompted. This step exchanges the QR token with Cengage for your course or material access. After scanning, follow the on-screen prompts to redeem the code, link the material to your account, and confirm course enrollment. Make sure billing or institutional access fields are correct before finalizing. If the scan fails, try manually typing the access code provided with your material or request a fresh QR image and refresh the page. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the app and camera, confirm camera permissions, and, if needed, switch to another device. This resolves most scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.